Hey there, creators and Canva fans. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss different AI features related to Canva, which will help you in simplifying your work. If you have used Canva before, then you know that it's very user friendly and you can create stunning design using Canva. And recently, Canva has rolled out a lot of AI features which are a truly game changer. Now, with AI and new tools coming in market, it gets overwhelming, and we always wonder if there are other tools which we should be using, how we can use AI. Now, since most of us use Canva already, why not explore some of its AI features, whether it's related to creating images out of text, or you creating videos using AI, or using its magic edit, eraser, and different technologies. So let's dive in. So first, let's explore Canva's magic design. So here you can create different designs by providing few prompts or a sample, and you can use this to create whether it's an Instagram related image or something for presentation or something for marketing. So let's get started. So let's create an ad to sell life insurance. Okay, so create an ad to sell life insurance. Let's see what it does. Great. So it provided some options. Okay, great. So here, if you see, it has created this image where it is kind of showing a lot of people and talking about life insurance. So we can edit this image and add more details. Let's create something different now. Okay. So what we can also do is we can provide some kind of a reference. So you can upload a file, and I'll just upload one image to give this a reference. So what we'll do is we'll provide this reference image and ask it to create an image taking inspiration from this. So use this image and add a model looking at water. So let's see what it'll create. Great. So it provided some kind of options. I like this option better. So AI has created certain sample images. So here you have a model looking at water. You can add prompts, you can change prompts, and different kind of options you can provide. Now here I'm providing a detailed prompt of what kind of a person I want to see in this image, and let's see how it creates. Great. So yeah, it has created based on some of the prompts we have provided. Now let's check out some of the other features which this provide. So this is the image which we created earlier. Now we'll do some editing on this image. Now one option is this magic eraser. So what you can do with this is you can erase some of the part of the image. For example, if you want to get rid of this tiny island which is here, so you just select this with a brush and then click on erase. Yep, it's gone. Little bit more is here, so we can select this area also, maybe a little bit down also if you want to erase. Great. So this thing is gone. So there are another options also, right? Background remover. So if you have your own picture you want to upload, how we can use Canva AI to create a video out of some of the images. Okay, so selected a YouTube video template, and now it is showing a kind of this new feature. Here it is showing us a new feature which we can use to generate video using AI. So let's click on it. And so how it works is like, you have to select few of the images and tell AI what you want to do. So I have few images of Airbnb property. So I will select, uh, you know, few images. Generally, three images are fine. Let's select one more, four. Okay, and what we want to do is create video to promote this Airbnb property. Okay, um, on Instagram. So it should inspire people to book this place. Okay, okay. It should inspire people to book. Great. Now let's generate. Great. So it has created a video out of this image. Now let's check it out. Let's play this. Okay, not bad. So it combined these images, added some text, some audio, and created a video for us. So it just took us, couple of seconds or a minute, and this was ready. I know otherwise, if I have to do this myself on Instagram, it takes a lot of time. So this was a quick wrap on some of the AI features which Canva provides. We checked out text to image feature. We checked out how we can use images to create videos. Some of the magic, editing and erasing facilities which Canva is providing. There are a lot more tools and apps to explore, and I suggest you do that. Hope you like this video. If there's anything else you want me to discuss, then please let me know via comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.